Hi, what's up, dentcoin holder? What's going on? Today video is very important because my brother 46.66% the price is increased now just in only last 7 days. That's mean to dentcoin is one of the best cryptocurrency, and absolutely in those days they were starting pumping up. So absolutely it's a very good time for profit. So if you want to get a profit from crypto now, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much. Alright, so dentcoin, one of the fastest cryptocurrency. You can see my friend in previous video days, my friend, I predicted this coin, and definitely I tell my viewers to in upcoming 3 days they will pumping up. Absolutely, October 1, October 2, October 3, they completely moving upwards. So therefore I will tell you to in upcoming 3 days they will more pumping up. That's mean to the first week of this month they will completely pumping up. After that I don't know, we will again predicate this coin. So you need to, my friend, subscribe this channel to watch my next prediction video, my friend. So today I just give you, my friend, the update, and absolutely it's something, my friend, see the price to really the price is increased or not, my brother, and this is good for investment or not. So my friend, this time absolutely you could see the from and after dump. Absolutely, my friend, you could see here everybody know this too. After a jump they will dumps down. So after this jump they will, after this jump they will also pump up. So that's clear to upcoming time the price will increase now. So absolutely that's true, my prediction is going to be right. I hope, my friend, in upcoming 3 days they will more pumping up. At 46.66% the price will increase. So I hope they will easily hit now 50% profit today. Now let's see holder to really they will do now or not, my brother, but my prediction is 100% going positive and going to be right now today. So I see now. So let's see, my friends, just in only hold now. If you are short-term investors, so hold 2 or 3 days, my friend, more. See you next time, holders. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.